So I'm going to show y'all some befores real quick. You can see this algae back here and mold and stuff that's growing on this wood. I'm going to see if I can't get rid of all this. So, alright, so here we go. See if we can't make all this algae and mold disappear. So I'm going to go back, I'm going to hit this one more time at the bottom down here. You can see there's still a little bit of mold. Hit the top of that fence post, and then we'll go ahead and move on to this siding right here. I got another test panel, which is all this right here. Now I know that some of this isn't going to come off because some of this is paint that's been kind of worn off throughout the years, but I think it's going to look a whole lot better. So this is actually what the manufacturers recommend for roof cleaning, siding cleaning, whether it be wood siding or vinyl siding. This is what the manufacturers want you to use instead of high pressure that can damage your materials. So I'm probably going to end up doing this whole building right here. This is my little shop that I keep my mower and stuff in. So as you can see, it needs a good cleaning. So I'm not going to use any pressure on this. I'm just going to let kind of the chemicals and the low pressure do the work for me. I'm probably gonna go get my other camera to set up so you can kind of see the during as well and me spraying. But like as you can tell right here, we've got paint chipping and stuff like this. This is just this is an old house, guys. This is my personal house, so this is what I'm gonna be testing on, and we'll see how good it turns out. So again, here's befores. And now let's do the during, and then we'll see the after. Here is the finished product after it's had some drying time. Wanted to come and show y'all what everything looked like. Roof looks good. Crazy thing is, look how clean all this looks. This building has not looked this clean in I don't know how long. Some of that stuff you're seeing right there, like that's just, they did a bad job painting. But it actually looks a whole lot better. Like all that algae and stuff that was growing on here before, like this is super clean. I mean, I've never seen this building this clean. It's crazy, really crazy. And it was no pressure, no high pressure at all. It was all low pressure, soft washing. So I wanted to show you all the building and then the gate. Check this out. Remember how black and nasty that was? Check that wood out. So pretty cool. The front of the building, same results. Came out super clean. So all around, I'm pretty impressed with the soft washing stuff so far. Did a really awesome job. Thanks for hanging out with me, watching the video. I'm gonna probably practice some more with the soft washing thing before I start doing other people's houses. I am gonna use it for concrete though. That's gonna help me out a lot. And then once I found, like, you know, a house where I can really try it on like some bad like vinyl siding and get some good before and afters, then I'll probably start promoting house washing and maybe some roof washing. But for now, man, I'm just gonna stick to concrete and my detailing business, which is like crazy busy. I really don't have time to like do house washing right now. I'm so busy with detailing, but I really need somebody to help me. I need some help to where I can knock out some more vehicles per day, and I really need a shop. So right now I'm just kind of in like a limbo mode where I'm doing stuff from my house, and hopefully soon I'll have either a house with a garage or a shop where I can actually start doing more work and not rely so much on the weather outside and stuff. Plus it's about to be summertime and I'm about to be super busy. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think of the before and afters, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, peace.